Under the leadership of Governor Hope Uzodinma, they say that the Nigerian army, they enter inside some villages for inside Olu. They buy innocent Olu youth. As we dey talk right now, no be small thing, say we bring this update last 2 weeks. Show una how many bodies we find for inside bush. We be saying that Nigerian army buy the even people we see when they carry them they pass, go dump them for inside bush. Another one don't still happen, but for road if you dump innocent Igbo youth for inside that area. This thing they happen for Olu and nobody is talking about it. If we talk, they say, hey, you people want to talk Biafra now, but is all this buying of youth is it going to stop people from agitating for what they believe on? So however, I'm going to bring you the video for you to watch, and before we come back and continue, do not forget to see there for Blabbergist. Please share as you watch them.
A very quick one, my brothers, my sisters, especially this The other time I played a video in Hendamine, but Undamishe Bunde youth, no PP Oberuru, Ihitobere, non all, in State Imo, Abunde youth, Hatobagani Moya, Hahunde youth to Gagarum Hanubozo, Hababu, Hamuzo, Abandon, Nagaga, Weboraka, Onyanachi Imo State in your hand. Yeah, waka onye na Imo State nyere ha to be doing anyhow, to be executing Imo youths anyhow. Now, I showed you the video. It couldn't play the first time I downloaded it in the comment section because of Facebook regulations. But this one again is another video. The same thing happened. Another video of execution of Nde youth of OBB, Oberuru, Ihitowere. Non cancel all Lunke State Imo. We are going to show you another video on the comment section. So it is going to come. I got cover to, but you will see it. This is exactly what is happening in Obibio Chase in Oberu Ihitowere. Non cancel all Lunke State Imo. It is happening where we have a governor that is even from Oluson, that is even the neighbors of Ndehan Ebe. We have a government that allows the security agents to waste the lives of Ndimo. That is the kind of government we have here in Imo State. At the end of the day, all these things will be happening, and even the traditional rulers are not talking. The president generals are not talking. Everybody is afraid. Everybody is afraid to die, and their people are dying. Their people are dying in their numbers. The youths are dying in their numbers. Here we use the youth are to defend the obodo. But these people, gradually, they are taking away the youths of Ndimo. Taking away the youths of Ndimo. Onwe ki hesiri mechi. Agahe enwe ndi youth ga apota luok. This is exactly what is happening in Imo State. For the past 5 years, this government in our here. Agwagi the youths, this government waste-trailer. You will not believe it. Agwagi the number of youths, this government waste-trailer. You will not believe it. So, you will watch the video at the comment section. Ndo bibio chase, nde oberuru, nde hito ure, ni hito chase, nde no here. If there is any other video you would like to send to us, just let me know. Forward it to my WhatsApp number, 0813 305 0089. 0813 305 0089. Watch the video at the comment section. Oburu no de gemma, o di chukwu gemma. Ma oburu no de ho gemma, o di chukwu gemma. Okwa no Imo State a, ka anyị na-aga n'ubi, ka ji n'aka. Ihe onye metere, o ga-eji isi eburu. Ihe onye metere, ma ewu president, ma ewu governor, ma ewu chairman, ihe osoro gị wụrụ. A time shall come when you will be stripped of those powers that are preventing you from being prosecuted. Very soon, the immunity will expire, and you will face the full wrath of the law. Watch the video. Make sure you share it widely. Thank you very much, my people.
Oh yeah, put your bike, can I share that long?
Okay, my wonderful people. as e be like this now, na the video wey I dey show you now be this. A lot of things is going on for inside Olu as we dey talk, and nobody is talking and nobody is doing anything about it. You know, say this issue of entering village, burn the village, throw bomb anywhere they like, and buy people. A secret war, that is silent war, is going on in Southeast. Silent war is going on in Southeast. In Imo State is the worst. Forget that everybody is going about their business. People that live in the town, ask people that live in the villages, they will gist you of what is happening in those areas. Sometimes, even the sound of gun have tired themselves. You will see something happening, they will just stand and be looking, because everybody is tired of running. You know, when something is done too much, you know, go to shake you again. Now waiting they happen now for inside Southeast. If you they shoot, people go they look you. Oh, now go and be that. Okay, now we are go wrong go one. My people, no be small thing. So now so they be for inside Olu. Now say my bring a conscious now. As we they talk now for inside the Abia State, they say that the Nigerian police go they shoot themselves. Go think say they fight IPOB. Whether IPOB don't become invisible or they no feel recognize their men again. Now so they go buy one truck driver. We don't no. I can't they ask now who go come judge this one now. Those people where they do this shit, I hope say they go hold them accountable for their reckless and the unprofessional this thing where the activity where they carry on for inside that place. Well, however, in Nigeria, everything can happen. So as that one they happen, they say that the representative, one of the representatives, what did they call Carlo? In name now something Benjamin Carlo, whatever. Young POB don't send message, go give him. That is the same person will come outside. They tell Igbos, don't come outside during protest. So, now he say that he is working hard to make sure say he hand over APC to Abia State people. Say that the APC must take over Abia State coming in next election. That the governor Adesotu should prepare to go down. That is not going to be the governor again. Come hear wetin happen. IPOB come tell and say, if you as it be like this now, we are watching you. You are one of Funani boy for inside Igbo land, and very soon hand go touch you. I say, it don't read though. I will play the video the moment where this man they make this statement before we come back and continue.
This will be the last time that a Labour governor will govern Abia State. I say it without missing word. The next governor of Abia State will be APC governor. Yeah, I say it without missing word. So we are friends, yes. We work together, yes. But I will not be number 6 citizen of the country and another party will govern my state. The next election of 2027, the APC governor will be there. I have told him in person, I have told him publicly and privately that APC governor will be the next governor of Abia State. How it will happen, I don't know, but it will happen.
So why are you not confident?
I'm confident because we are working hard. I'm confident because my government is working hard. The president is working hard. And Abia will repay the president. Abia will repay the president. The president that has given you Saudi Development Commission will be repaid. A president that is appointing Abians into administration will be repaid. A president that is allowing attraction of dividends of democracy to Abia State will be repaid. We are not ungrateful people. Monkey will not work and baboon will chop. APC will not help the state to be strong, and then Labour will take the credit. And no. APC will determine who become the next governor of Abia State. I don't care about who the person is, but one thing I know is that the party platform, APC, will be the next governor of Abia State. Go and write it somewhere. That we are ready to work for Abia State. And we are tired of being outside government, the government at the center. We need to leverage the power of the center to, increase the development of Abia State. The governor is my friend and he's doing well. Comparatively speaking, from other governors, he's not doing badly. Within the 100 years in office, I give it to him, and I'm proud of him. He's my friend. In fact, we spoke today. There's barely a day we don't speak. But the issue remains, we have to push for our party to take over the state. I mean, I owe Mr. President that, and I owe my party that's giving me number 6 position that. And I'm sure the governor knows that I owe my party that. And I'm sure the governor will do the right thing at the right time.
Wonderful people, please share this video, because as it be like this, a lot of things is happening in Southeast as we dey talk. Nobody is talking about it, but however, I will see they here, they bring you the update, may you know wetin dey happen. This army people will go by the youth. It happen for place where they call Ihite Okwa, for Ihite Owerri, for inside Olu. So I will talk about it last time, and this one another face of the whole thing where they happen there. So share the video so that other people will know wetin dey go on as they hot.